Okay, in this video, we're going to take what we started in our introduction video and we're going to look at step one of our process. So in our previous video, we looked at what is affiliate marketing, and essentially it is someone that represents the seller of another product as a marketer, as a salesperson that gets the message out about the product, quite often adding a lot of value to the product that sometimes the original seller didn't even intend or was aware of themselves when they created the product. And you'll see how that is as we go through. Now, we looked at what are the major steps. Here they are. Find something to promote. So that's what we're going to look at today. How do we find something to actually promote? So you can start with something that's already a hobby or a passion. If you already know this area, let's say you love baseball, well, you probably know the things that fans of baseball like. They like baseball parks. They like to collect baseball cards. They like to collect all sorts of memorabilia. There's so many interests around that. What's an interest you already have? Is it photography, woodworking, music? Name it. There's really no limit to the interests and no limit to products that are affiliate products. Sometimes it's not always obvious, but you can go out there and find them. Sometimes you can even make a deal with the seller who doesn't have current affiliate rights to represent them as an affiliate. Then another thing you can do is look at something that's already popular. Find out things that are already selling, and if you can get on board and sell that product yourself, you may have a good opportunity to make some money. Now, if there's a lot of competition, you're going to have to do a couple of things to deal with that competition, which we're going to cover in another video. But one of those things might be to add value, add bonuses, add something to that product that other people haven't done that separates you from the competition. Maybe there's something that a lot of people want. For example, dog lovers. Well, they probably want dog obedience training, right? They don't want their dog, attacking other dogs. They want it to be a well-behaved dog. Maybe you have an interest in being a dog walker or a dog caregiver, right? There's websites like Rover. Well, how could you make money from that whole idea? Maybe there's a course or multiple courses on dog obedience or being a dog walker, right? What is a problem? Here's another way to think. What is a problem you encounter that could use a solution or a new solution or another new solution, right? For example, how to sing. There are lots of, if someone is not a good singer, they want to develop it. Or if they're a good singer and they want to become professional, how could they do that better? That's a problem to be solved. Dating, an obvious problem to be solved. How can you become successful at dating? Or how can you be involved in dating websites? Or there's lots and lots of problems around that field. Conflict resolution, people challenges. It could be between family members. Maybe there's a course on how to resolve conflict in a family or in a business or in a church group. You could go deep, deep into all these problems that exist out in the world. There may already be a solution that you could connect a group to. One theme in marketing is find a school of hungry fish, meaning if you're going to go fishing, find where the hungry fish are, give them the bait that they want, and you will always catch fish. So find a school of hungry fish. Now, I will say, and this is important to note, the most profitable niches are the make money niche, whether that is something to do with internet marketing, real estate, cryptocurrency, gold, stocks, bonds, career, anything in the make money realm. People are willing to pay money to make more money. So keep that in mind. Health and fitness, there is a huge multi-billion-billion-dollar business in health and fitness. People are always willing to spend some money on their physical fitness, on what they eat, on supplements, on you name it. And then dating is the third most profitable niche. People are willing to pay money for relationships. So let's take a look now at different ways that you can find products to represent and sell. This is a really short list, and if you want more information after this, you can go into a deeper course that we have available. But for now, let's look at some. One place to start is just go to Google, type out something that already sells a lot of things. Let's choose here best-selling items on eBay. You can go to, let's just go to this first one, see where it takes us. So here's the top selling items on eBay 2021. You could scan through this blog and find out what is selling. And here were the top things during the coronavirus: masks and sanitizers, puzzle, strength training, webcams, right? So it clues you in on some areas you might want to focus your interest, right? Here were the best-selling categories: mobile phones and accessories, right? Video games, right? Health and beauty, home and garden, computers and tablets, fashion, crafts. All of these things were top sellers in eBay. Let's go search on another area here. You could certainly do Amazon. By the way, Amazon and eBay have affiliate programs. Amazon has probably the world's biggest affiliate program. Many people make money selling things on Amazon. Let me just show you my search bar so you know what I'm doing. So I'm on Amazon. Let's actually search for Amazon bestsellers. All right, so we go here. So this is a page that shows all the top sellers of every category within Amazon, which is extensive in itself. Maybe you're interested in apps and games, or arts, crafts and sewing, automotive, personal and beauty and personal, baby. All of these have companies that have products that they want sold. Now, could you sell them on Amazon? Yes. We're not going to cover that in this course, but there are courses that exist. There are ways to represent companies on Amazon or off Amazon, right? So there's another place. Now we want to focus on a couple areas. One of them is Clickbank. Let's take a look at Clickbank. This is one of the biggest and easiest to use affiliate programs, and Clickbank has many products that you're able to find here. Let's go to the marketplace in the top corner. So once you set up an account, you can just go to the marketplace and you're able to find all sorts of products. You could type in a specific area here. Let's say we wanted to type something about dogs, right? In dogs, already we see coming to the top, obedience dog training, brain training for dogs, 112 amazing dog hacks. These are already programs that exist that you could promote to a dog niche, right? Or people interested in dogs. And there's something called gravity. Let's say you want to find just the top sellers. Well, you set the gravity. Gravity on Clickbank is an algorithm that's a combination of many different factors. One of them has to do with how many people are selling that particular product. So I'm going to erase the dogs search here. Average dollar per conversion. This is how much money you could make for each sale. If you wanted to raise it above a certain threshold or below a certain threshold, you could set a range and see what's available. You could, the initial dollars per conversion. So that's for the first sale. Recurring or rebuild. These are products that charge every month or every so often for a recurring. Sometimes it's annually, sometimes it's monthly. Dates when they're added to the marketplace. So those products have been around a long time. Sometimes they're worth looking at. There's a reason why they've been on Clickbank for so long. Then you can choose only physical products if you wanted to. A lot of things on Clickbank are knowledge products or software. A knowledge product would be like a course or a guide, something like that. Choose your language. If you're interested in one-time recurring, I'd play around with all of these and see what you can find. So let's give this a try here with our selection that we've made. Okay, we're going to erase this and let's take a peek. All right, so diabetes freedom comes to the top, right? What would that be about? It's kind of, so back to life, neck and shoulder pain, keto diet. So all these are in the health and fitness area that have come up so far. There's remedies. This one is in the dating app, His Secret Obsession. There's something on woodworking, right? I don't know what that one is. Peak Bio Boost, another health and fitness one. So anyway, there's lots and lots of subjects. I invite you to check around Clickbank. We're going to go to one more page. Now, this is my specialty. This is in the internet marketing niche. One thing I like about internet marketing products is they have a commission that they'll pay out to their sellers of 50% or more quite often, sometimes 100%. You're probably wondering, how would they pay 100%? We'll cover that in a future video. But here you can look at products that are launching, and this is tomorrow's date, 26th of May, when I'm recording this on the 25th. You can see there's a whole bunch of products launching tomorrow. These are products that people have available in the marketplace. They want affiliates to promote for them. So if I wanted to promote, let's say this one, Influx Reloaded, not exactly sure what the product is. I go to this page. I want to look at their JV page or visit their sales page. If I visit their sales page, it'll tell us about what is the product, what does it involve. You could watch the video. If you're interested in it, consider applying for an affiliate link. That's what we're going to do in the next video. But just so to give you a quick, if you want to be ambitious and go ahead, you can click on what's called the JV page here. JV page stands for joint venture. And this is the page they open up for affiliates. And you can grab your affiliate link here. And we'll tell you more about this as you go. But if you click this, and if you went ahead and got an account on Warrior Plus, that's Warrior Plus over here, you will possibly be able to get an affiliate link. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to raise your odds, because not everybody gets an affiliate link. And I want to show you how to raise your odds of getting one. So we will talk to you in the next video.